What is Architect Learning Plan? An architect learning plan is a structured approach designed to enhance an architect's skills and knowledge in various aspects of architecture, including design principles, technical proficiency, project management, and emerging technologies. It typically involves setting specific learning objectives, identifying relevant resources such as courses, books, or workshops, and allocating time for continuous learning and professional development. Topics: Introduction to AWS Billing and Cost Management. AWS Shared Responsibility Model. AWS Well Architected. Architecting Serverless Solutions.